Namaste everyone. Welcome back to pavitechzone. Today we are diving into an essential part of Android development, that is checkboxes and radio buttons. These UI elements are super useful in creating forms, surveys and preference selection in any app. By the end of this video, you will be able to set up and handle checkboxes and radio button in Android app. So let's get started. First open the Android Studio and create a project and go to XML layout. Today I will demonstrate a basic form where users can choose multiple food items with checkboxes and a single time preference with radio buttons. So let's jump into it. To start, let's create the checkboxes to let users to choose their favorite foods. In activity main.xml, we will use three checkboxes labeled pizza, burger and pasta. So first, we will change this constraint layout to linear layout. We will remove this text view. Here we will create the checkbox. Width will be wrap content, height will be wrap content, and we will give one ID to it. ID will be checkbox pizza, and we will give text. Text will be pizza. We will copy the same code to create another two checkboxes. We will change the ID. We will give it as burger, and this one as pasta. We will change the text, and this one to pasta. So as you can see in the layout, we have three checkboxes with named pizza, burger and pasta. So here I have created three checkboxes elements. Each one has an ID, so we can access it in Java, and I have added the label with Android text attribute. So let's move to the next part, adding radio buttons. So next we will add the radio buttons for a single time preference. To do this, we will use the radio group, which lets us group the radio buttons so only one can be selected at a time. I will add three options: morning, afternoon and evening. So here we will create the radio group. Width will be wrap content, height will be wrap content, and orientation we will give it as vertical, and we will give an ID to it. So we will give ID as radio group time. So inside radio group, we will create the radio button. Width will be wrap content, height will be wrap content, and text will be morning. We will give an ID to it. We will give it as radio morning. We will copy the same code for another two radio buttons. We will change its ID as afternoon and evening, and same text. And this one to evening. As we can see, we have three radio buttons: morning, afternoon and evening. So this radio group contains three radio buttons. We have created radio group because radio buttons, they are inside the radio group. Only one option can be selected at a time. Now finally, we will add button below to display our selected options. For that, below radio group, we will create one button. width will be wrap content, height will be wrap content, and text show selection. And layout margin top, we will give it as 16 dp, or else we will give it as 36. Okay, we will give an ID to this button. It is just for demonstration, don't worry about the layout. We will give ID as show selection. Now let's go to main activity Java to write some code to handle these selections. Go to main activity.java. Here we will access each element by find view by ID, and when the button is clicked, we will display toast message showing the selected items. So first, checkbox. Okay, inside onCreate function, we will initialize the checkbox pizza. Next, we will initialize the radio group time, find view by ID, r dot id dot radio group time. Next, button to display selection, button show selection, find view by ID, r dot id dot. Next, button show selection dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. So first, string builder selection, new string builder selected items. So now we will check which food items are selected. If so next we will check selected time preference. Int selected time id radio group time dot get checked radio button id. If selected time id not equals to -1, then radio button selected radio button find view by id selected time ID. Selection.append preferred time dot append selected radio button dot get text. Get text. Next, we will show the selection in a toast message. For that, toast dot toString. So in this code, I have accessed each checkbox and radio group by their ID. In the onClick method of the button, I am checking which checkboxes are selected using each check. Then I am checking selected radio button within the radio group and displaying everything in a toast message. So let's run the app and test it. I will select some of the checkboxes and radio buttons, then click the show selected button. So we will click on run button. So as you can see, we have 3 checkboxes and 3 radio buttons. So I can select all the checkboxes. Let me remove one. And in radio button, I can select only one. So I will go with morning. So when I click on show selection, as you can see, selected items, pizza, pasta and preferred time, morning. So as you can see, we have got the preferred time as evening. So this was a simple step but powerful way to capture the user preferences. That's it for today's video. We have learned how to set up and handle the checkboxes for multiple selections and radio buttons for single selections in Android Studio. This is a fundamental skill for creating dynamic and interactive apps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned to our next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.